English speaking practice. Repeat each sentence 2 times. I am very excited today. I am very excited today. Today is a special day. Today is a special day. I am feeling energetic. I am feeling energetic. I am ready to learn. I am ready to learn. I enjoy practicing daily. I enjoy practicing daily. I am becoming more confident. I am becoming more confident. I am improving quickly. I am improving quickly. Please tell me the truth. Please tell me the truth. I trust you completely. I trust you completely. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. Always be honest. Always be honest. I respect everyone. I respect everyone. Good manners matter. Good manners matter. Be polite to others. Be polite to others. Kind words make a difference. Kind words make a difference. Walking is good for health. Walking is good for health. Fresh air feels wonderful. Fresh air feels wonderful. The park is beautiful. The park is beautiful. I enjoy nature. I enjoy nature. The flowers look lovely. The flowers look lovely. The weather is pleasant. The weather is pleasant. I feel relaxed. I feel relaxed. This place is peaceful. This place is peaceful. Hard work brings success. Hard work brings success. Challenges make us stronger. Challenges make us stronger. Every effort counts. Every effort counts. I believe in hard work. I believe in hard work. Success starts with effort. Success starts with effort. I am determined. I am determined. Nothing is impossible. Nothing is impossible. I can achieve my goals. I can achieve my goals. What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? I love homemade meals. I love homemade meals. This dish tastes amazing. This dish tastes amazing. I would like another serving. I would like another serving. The food is fresh. The food is fresh. Fruits are good for health. Fruits are good for health. Drinking water is important. Drinking water is important. A balanced diet is essential. A balanced diet is essential. I am reading a newspaper. I am reading a newspaper. I like reading articles. I like reading articles. Reading improves knowledge. Reading improves knowledge. Books are our friends. Books are our friends. Learning never ends. Learning never ends. Education is valuable. Education is valuable. Knowledge opens doors. Knowledge opens doors. I enjoy studying. I enjoy studying. Practice leads to improvement. Practice leads to improvement. I am curious to learn more. I am curious to learn more. My friend is very helpful. My friend is very helpful. We enjoy spending time together. We enjoy spending time together. Friendship is beautiful. Friendship is beautiful. A true friend is valuable. A true friend is valuable. Friends support each other. Friends support each other. We learn from each other. We learn from each other. Good friends are a blessing. Good friends are a blessing. I appreciate my friends. I appreciate my friends. Friendship brings happiness. Friendship brings happiness. I am planning my future. I am planning my future. I work towards my goals. I work towards my goals. Every day is an opportunity. Every day is an opportunity. I stay focused. I stay focused. I stay motivated. I stay motivated. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. My future is bright. My future is bright. I am confident about my future. I am confident about my future. Success is waiting for me. Success is waiting for me. I use my time wisely. I use my time wisely. Punctuality is important. Punctuality is important. I value my time. I value my time. Planning saves time. Planning saves time. Discipline is powerful. Discipline is powerful. I manage my time well. I manage my time well. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Keep practicing every day. Keep practicing every day. Stay confident and positive. Stay confident and positive. Success is within your reach. Success is within your reach. See you in the next lesson. See you in the next lesson.